The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skiller! Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Now this is another update on the incident that had said to have happened at the place that is called Barefoot Hotel between a man and a female, and it is said that the man had paid for a service that he did not get. Here I'm going to present to you bits and pieces of a video put together so that you can have a better understanding of what this female had to say. And this video shows of the female explaining herself during an interview, practically telling her side of the story. Now, be advised that some of the languages in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Observe.
A private spot, him say where is the private spot? Him say private spot, they run a Barefoot Hotel. So him say come on, we go. Him give me $1,000. Say if you have a drink. So say we don't have no drink yet, so we did a reason. He says that him up himself, so we don't go upstairs. Go buy 2 beers, start have a drink with that reason. So I say no man, woman a pray we can't stay here. So I say alright then. Went to a room, so we go in the room now in this side. So I fuck say me, I said no, I'm never come for no fucking come for your money from you. So me have to start beating. Then me run come up, so me have to start boxing. In the pan girl you have to give me the fuck tonight. Me say you nah get no fuck you know. I beat me, I go get for the money. So me have to start running down and start beating. So him start take off him pants and him underpants and start rolling on a boots. And I say, come girl, you have to give me the fuck. So I say, no pussy for you today, I beat no for you. You nah get no fuck. So I have to end up get one mapstick and start beat him to death. Because he hard for dead. And I say tough love. And he have the money, and me want the money. Then I start beat him like head and all over him. Then start running a ball. Murder, murder, murder. Then I say to one lady, say, this a money I make too much nice and I call down this place, you know. Give me one machine, but me give him one crossing blood clot, yeah, make him go sleep. She said, no, you can't lick me. Say, who no get that money off for me? You would have murder, call the police. So I look at him and I start laughing. Say, no, say, you serious. You can't come and marry me with $200,000 in your pocket. Nice girl like me and you don't want to give me no. Where your woman then, you want that? I say, where you pitting there, you pitting that? Then I say, if I can come give you a bar, girl. It's alright then. Your woman have to see this on Facebook or anything to the cash that goes to say you walk and give you the money and all. The money part is reason we and got private spot. So you know the private spot include with everything. But to all my damn thing, I say no man can't make this a man fuck me. To all this a long teeth, them a long teeth. Nervous! Hey man make me get nervous. So I say, me that shit me just beat this blood clot and kill him for this money. And me can't make this a man go pan top and worse me and see my myself and we are strong. Front big so me couldn't make the same savage dragon no matter how it No, we never have the agreement. I wouldn't have that. No, that's how we didn't have anything you want to say because you never watch. You know my platinum, my light, you make me name. When you mind, I can see one next day you can have a drink. Good God! So she just said, platinum never get a cut. You think you would have given a touch all the time? Yes, because things are more better off now. Okay, and say, more teeth that come in and... Good God! They understand, them have nice, good, clean teeth, father. And that's the thing, the rating style, I'm like...
Alright viewers and subscribers, so there you have it, the female that was involved in an incident that was said that a man paid money for exchange of a certain service. Now, she's explaining herself, and judging by what she said and what the man said in a previous update, it is two totally different stories. However, there was a money transaction and the room was rented. Viewers and subscribers, there's a whole lot of questions being asked behind this right about now. Like, why would a room be rented if there was no agreement of any form of activity, like sexual activity? And why would you want to leave from the bar to go to the room? And why was it that their money being taken? Who is telling the lie, the man or the woman? You know, what's going on right about now? Who is telling the real truth? And those are all the type of questions being asked out there on social media pertaining to this video, a recent other video, and the actual video of the incident itself, you know, at the scene. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, me leave it with you right here. So for you to look at these things, think for yourself, and you can also tell me what you think. As always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself.